the last session we completed Java identifiers and reserved words. Okay, in this session we will discuss about data types. Okay, before discussing data types we will conclude few points about data types. Okay, what they are. Today's topic is data types. Okay, in Java every variable and every assignment has some type. Okay friends, in Java every variable and every assignment has some type. Okay, let's see. Int x is equal to 10.9. Is it possible? No, it's invalid. Okay, int x is equal to true. Is valid or invalid? Is invalid. Okay friends, in older languages these are valid, in Java these are invalid. So in Java each and every data type clearly defined. In Java each and every data type is clearly defined. Int x is equal to 10, int x is equal to 20. Okay friends, in Java each and every data type is clearly defined. Okay, the next one, a plus b plus c. Okay, if a is integral type, then b and c also should be integral type. Okay, in Java every assignment should be checked by compiler for type compatibility. Okay friends, in Java every assignment should be checked by compiler for type compatibility. For suppose if a is integral type, then b and c should be also integral type, otherwise we will get compile time error. Okay, Java is pure object oriented program or not? Okay, some people say yes, some people say no. Actually Java is not considered as pure object oriented programming because some hook features not satisfied by Java. Okay, what they are? For suppose operator overloading and multiple inheritance. These are not supported by Java. Okay, Java is not pure object oriented programming because some hook features are not satisfied with Java, and moreover we are depending on primitive data types. Which are non-objects. Okay, which are non-objects. Okay friends. Okay, what are the various data types in Java? What are the various data types? Okay, primitive data types. Are 8. Okay, divided into numeric data types, which represents numbers. Numeric data types represents numbers. Non-numeric data types, which does not represent numbers. Non-numeric data types, which does not represent numbers. Okay, what are the numeric data types? Integral data types, floating point data types. Floating point data types. What are integral data types? What are floating point data types? Okay, integral data types represents numbers. Okay, floating point data types represents decimal points. Okay, what are the integral data types? Byte, short, int, long. These are the integral data types. Okay, what are the floating point data types? Float, double. Okay, what are the non-numeric data types? First one char, second one boolean. Okay, these are the various primitive data types in Java. Okay, now we will discuss about numeric data types. Okay, what is the first one? Byte. What is the first one? Byte. Okay, how much memory allocated for byte data type? Okay, 1 byte allocated for byte data type, 8 bits. Okay, what is the maximum value of byte? Maximum value. And what is the minimum value for byte? And what is the range? Okay, listen carefully. Okay, how many bits? 8 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, these are the 8 bits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, the first one is MSB, most significant bit. MSB, most significant bit. Okay, it acts as sign bit. It acts as a sign bit. Okay, the first bit reserved for sign. Okay, 0 means positive numbers, 1 means negative numbers. Okay, the first bit reserved for sign. Okay, what is the maximum value? The rest of bits are values. The rest of bits are values. Okay, what is the maximum value? Okay, what is the maximum value? Okay, look here carefully. Okay, 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 cube, 2 power of 4, 2 power of 5, 2 power of 6, 2 power of 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 plus 64. Okay, what is the maximum value? 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 127. Okay, what is the max value? 127. Okay, the positive numbers will be represented directly in the memory. Okay, please remember friends, the positive numbers will be represented directly in the memory. Okay, what is the minimum value? Is minus 128. Okay, because the negative numbers will be represented 2's complement form. Okay, what is the formation? We will be discussing soon. Okay, what is the range? Minus 128 to 127. Okay friends. Okay, now see the examples. Examples: byte b is equal to 10. Okay, is it valid? Byte b is equal to 127. Okay, the range, is it valid? Byte b is equal to 128. Okay, we cross that range. So in that cases we will get compile time error. What is the compile time error? Possible loss of precision. Possible loss of precision. Found int required byte. Okay, by default all integer numbers compiler treated as int type. Okay friends, by default all integral numbers compiler treated as int type. Okay, the next example: byte b is equal to 20.3. okay, is it valid? Invalid. So in that case we will get compile time error. What is the compile time error? Is the same error we got. Possible loss of precision. Possible loss of precision found double. Required byte. Okay friends, okay, let's see the few what is the next example. Byte b is equal to true. Okay, byte b is equal to true. Is it valid or not? Okay, it is invalid. So in that cases we will get compile time error saying incompatible types found boolean. What is true? Is value of boolean. Required byte. So friends, this is the concept about byte. Okay, byte is the best choice for if you want handle data in terms of streams. Okay, byte is the best choice for if you want to handle the data in terms of streams. Okay, what is the next data type? What next data type? Sort. The next data type is sort. Okay, in Java the most rarely used data type is sort data type. Okay friends, the rarely used data type is sort data type. Okay, what is the size? What is the size? 2 bytes. (16 bits). Okay, what is the range? Minus 2 power of 15 to 2 power of 15 minus 1 minus 32,768 to 32,767. This is the range. Okay, see the example. Okay, sort s is equal to 10. It is valid or not? Okay, it's valid. Okay, sort s is equal to 32767. Is it valid or not? Okay, it's also valid. Okay, sort s is equal to 32768. It is valid or not? Okay, it is invalid because we crossed that limit. Okay, in that cases we will get compile time error. We will get compile time error saying, what is the compile time error? Possible loss of precision found int required short. Okay friends, okay, let's see the another example. Sort s is equal to true. Is it valid? No, it's not valid. Okay, in that cases which type of compile time error got? Compile time error saying incompatible types found boolean. Required sort. Okay friends, this is the concept about sort. Sort data type is best suitable for 16-bit processor. Okay, these processors are outdated, so the corresponding sort data type is also outdated. Okay friends, the next concept is int data type. What is the next one? Int data type. Okay, what is the size of the int? Size 4 bytes. 32 bit. Okay, 32 bits. What is the range? Minus 2 for 31 to 2 for 31 minus 1 minus 2147483648 to 2147483647. Okay, this is the range of int. Okay, let's see the example. Okay, int I is equal to 10. Is it valid or not? Okay, it is valid. Okay, listen carefully. Int I is equal to 2147483647. Is it valid or not? Valid. Okay, int x is equal to 2147483648. It is valid or not? It is invalid because we crossed that limit. Okay, in these cases we will got compile time error. Okay, what is the compile time error? Compile time error saying integer value too large. Integer value too large, because by default all integral numbers compiler treated as int type. Compiler treated as int type. So we converted that type into long 2147483648L, a smaller chapter. Okay, this is a long type. Now compiler treated as all integral numbers as long type. Okay, in these cases we will get compile time error saying possible loss of precision found long required int. Found long required int. Found long required int. Okay. Int x is equal to true. Is it valid or not? It is invalid. In that cases we will get compile time error saying incompatible types found boolean required int. Okay, what is the next example and final example? Int x is equal to Prashant. Is it valid? No, it is invalid. Okay, in that cases compile time error saying incompatible types found java.lang.string required int. Okay, this is the concept about int. Okay friends, the next concept will be coming into the next video. Please watch the channel and do subscribe for more videos on other computer courses.